What's up guys, Josh with Textile SX, and today we're going to cut a hole in this hood. So we got the wiper cowl off, old intake off, got the new intake on, about to start modifying the wiper cowl. So here we'll make a cut here, we'll make a cut here, allow the intake to scoot back so it'll sit all the way down. So we got the intake on, wiper cowl is modified. Now we're gonna start modifying the plastic trim. And we're just gonna take a little bit out of it, put it on, wrap this thing up. Guys, we're done with this one. Turned out awesome. Hit that subscribe button, follow us. We're gonna be making some other videos around the shop, just kind of showing you how we do things. Appreciate you watching.